The biome tundra lies in parts of Alaska, Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Sweden, Norway, Finland, and Russia. It is the world's youngest biome, 10,000 years old. Average temperatures in the biome tundra range from negative 25 degrees Celsius in the winter, peaking at 5 degrees Celsius in the summer. There's very mild amounts of precipitation. The most on average is about 30 millimeters in August, and the least is about 0 to 10 millimeters during the months of January, March, April, May, July, and November. There are usually long, dark winters, strong winds, and short, soggy summers. The soils are poorly developed with a layer of frozen subsoil called permafrost. This mural is produced specifically for the North American continent. There are very little plants and animals due to the extreme living conditions. The dominant flora is mostly ground-hugging plants such as Arctic and caribou moss, sedges, pasque flowers, bearberries, and various types of lichens. They are small and stunted. The dominant fauna are grizzly bears, muskox, caribou, Arctic foxes, types of migratory waterfowl, and shorebirds, snowy owls, lemmings, and ermines. If the Arctic hare became killed off because of unnatural and/or natural factors, then the Arctic fox, Arctic wolf, ermine, and snowy owl would have one less food source, but no dramatic change would happen.
The tropical rainforest biome lies roughly about 28 degrees north or south of the equator in parts of South and Central America, Southeast Asia, Africa, southern India, northeast Australia, Mexico, and on the Pacific, Caribbean, and Indian Ocean islands. Here, this biome receives on average about 250 centimeters in rain a year, which can be converted to about 98 inches a year. The temperature ranges from 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 93 degrees Fahrenheit yearly. The soil here is thin and nutrient poor. The dominant flora that lives within this biome are, starting in the top right corner going clockwise, are plants, monkeys, trees, toucans, flowers, and anacondas. Other fauna include sloths, tapirs, capybaras, anteaters, birds such as parrots and parakeets, insects such as butterflies, ants, beetles, and reptiles such as frogs, caimans, and boa constrictors. Other flora include woody vines, climbing plants, and bromeliads. Two animals that have been chosen to show their adaptation to their biomes are the jaguar for the tropical rainforest and the musk ox for the tundra. The jaguar has adapted to its biome by having jaws and a large head to help while hunting and killing. Their fast speed also helps them to catch their prey. Another adaptation is that since the animal is nocturnal, it allows them to have high activity level when others are asleep. They are exceptional swimmers, so since the rainforest has the possibility of flooding at times, jaguars are still able to move from place to place. Their outer bodies, such as their skin color, paws, and tail, have also helped them to adapting by providing camouflage, balance, and traction. The musk ox has adapted to its biome by being big, so their only threats are polar bears and Arctic wolves. They travel in large groups of about 100 in order to provide more protection to their other group members and the children of the herd. It has an outer coat that consists of long brown hair, then an inner layer of wool, which helps keep them warm in freezing temperatures. Similarities and differences of these biomes vary. Some differences include that the tundra receives little to no rainfall yearly, while the tropical rainforest often has enough rainfall for it to result in flooding. Another difference is that the tundra biome is mainly found in places near the northern and southern poles, while the tropical rainforest biome is found much closer to the equator. Some similarities shown are that both biomes include poor soil to work with, as well as both of them struggling for survival, because of logging for the tropical rainforest and global warming for the tundra.
This is our works cited source.